Hello, Magic Maker. Thanks for landing on the Craft and Tour, your signature workshop, done with you services page. So I'm just gonna talk a little bit about this. All the information about what's included in this package are all down below, and if you have questions, just reach out. I'm happy to answer them. Essentially, social media, unless you're paying a fortune, podcast tours, they just don't work how everybody thinks they should work, how we've been told they work, and how reality shows they work. They just don't work. I accidentally discovered a year and a half ago the power of designing a signature workshop. My signature workshop has been for the last year and a half. I've delivered it 18 times. It's called Thriving in Business Without Social Media. Now that signature workshop, as I said, I've taught it 17 or 18 times in the last year and a half. That's grown my email list by more than 4,000 people from doing that workshop live. So earlier this year, I created a course. I had 57 people go through it live with me around crafting and touring their signature workshops. You can see some of those success stories down below. And what I've discovered is that this is the simplest, most scalable way for you to go and tap into new audiences, deliver value, do the thing that you love most, which is teaching ultimately, and to expand your email list, to call people on the adventure that you're here for by joining your other programs, your services, your coaching, whatever it is that you're selling, and to carry on and just keep doing that from one stage to the next. I'm already filling up my signature workshops next year. I'm already creating my next signature workshop around transforming your life's work into a work of art. This has become my main way of getting the word out about Majik Media, and this could be one of the most effective, simple, scalable ways that you can implement a marketing strategy in 2024. So we have a limited number of spots. If you're interested in working with Majik Media, we will support you to design your workshop. We'll do all the creatives, build your landing pages, support you with creating your media pages, help you write your copy so that it stands out, help you write your outreach emails, organize your spreadsheet, research your first 100 contacts that you're gonna reach out to for your signature workshop. We will actually help send those first 100 contacts their emails. We're gonna help set up all the things so that you can fully step into this new offering in the new year, and you can grow your email list, you can teach way more often, and you can stop getting sucked into the social media podcast loop. Now, if you want to learn more about my philosophies around signature workshops, there is a video of one of my more recent ones down at the bottom of this page that you can check out around my life and business without social media. And you can learn more about my philosophies there and see how I've designed my signature workshop, which has been very resonant with a lot of entrepreneurs over the last year and a half. So if you have questions, great. Otherwise, if you're interested, if you're intrigued, if you're leaning in, you're like, yes, this is what I've been waiting for, go down below. You can see the price, you can apply. That price is only for the first 3 people that take us up on this services, and then we'll be increasing the price again. So I hope to see you, I hope to work with you. And if that price tag is not in your budget, then sign up for the training that we did. You'll get access to the templates, you get access to a community space with access to me. So either way, you got to have a signature workshop, and you need to take that thing on tour. Thanks for tuning in. See you soon.